Hello there. On this slide, we are going to be discussing tech tool number 3, Pinterest. It is a social media-based tech tool, but it is not as vocally forward as Facebook or Instagram. That's why I think it's excellent to incorporate and integrate in the classroom as a technology tool, because middle schoolers, you have to be careful with social media due to bullying. So I think Pinterest is a great social media tech tool that leaves all that riffraff behind everyone. So here we are. We're on the Pinterest.com homepage. I'm going to use the search bar. I'm going to type Earth Science 7th and 8th grade. And as you can see, endless amounts of science lab ideas, science homework ideas, lesson ideas. These images you can print out. I can print out parts of the microscope here and hand it out to my students. Endless ideas of lessons, experiments, you name it. It is great for the students to use as well. As I mentioned before, it is great for teachers to use. Here are the levels of the atmosphere. It goes on and on and on. It's fun. It's comfortable for the students to use because they probably already have used Pinterest before. I would love in the future to assign my students to make a digital portfolio in middle school, and what we could do in the search bar, the Pinterest search bar, middle school e-portfolio. And here we go. I even spelled it wrong and it still came up with endless ideas. And the students could, this gives the students a guide. It gives them help. It's great for flipped classrooms and blended learning when students are working from a distance and they need some ideas and the teacher isn't there at the moment to guide and vocalize ideas. So Pinterest is one of my favorites technology tools to use, and I also have witnessed middle school teachers and educators and administrators use Pinterest, and it definitely was a success from my view. So I cannot wait to incorporate this technology tool into my middle school science classroom. Thank you.